Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cress head. Let's begin by gathering our simple materials. You'll need an empty eggshell, some cotton wool, and cress seeds. Don't forget a marker pen to draw a face and a small amount of water for growth. Preparing your eggshell is key. Ensure it's clean and completely dry before we move on to the next step. This fun project is perfect for all ages and brings a touch of green to your home. Now that you have your eggshell, let's prepare it for planting. First, carefully crack off the top 1/3 of a raw eggshell, creating an opening. Empty the egg's contents, then rinse the shell thoroughly with water to remove any residue. It's crucial to let the cleaned eggshell air dry completely for several hours. Once dry, grab your marker and draw a fun, expressive face on your cress head, giving it personality before planting. With your eggshell ready and its face drawn, it's time to plant the cress seeds. First, gently place a small amount of cotton wool inside the eggshell, filling it about halfway. Next, moisten the cotton wool with approximately 1 tablespoon of water, ensuring it's damp but not waterlogged. Then, sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of cress seeds evenly over the damp cotton. Make sure the seeds are in good contact with the moist cotton wool for optimal germination. Now for the final steps, caring for your growing cress head. Place your eggshell in a warm, brightly lit spot like a windowsill, but avoid harsh, direct sunlight. It's important to keep the cotton wool consistently moist. Add a few drops of water daily, checking for dryness. You should see tiny sprouts emerge within just 2 to 3 days. Your cress will be ready to harvest and enjoy in about 7 to 10 days, perfect for sandwiches or salads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.